Good evening, everybody. I am working on my hair, so I don't take very many showers. I mean, I take a lot of showers. I just don't always shampoo my hair. And I don't know about you guys. I don't know what stuff you're using on your hair these days. But I'm very picky. I've used all my life. I've been very picky. But my phone ran out of battery. So I just it was on the charger when I went out. Oops, sorry guys. When I went outside to do some work tonight. And oh, as usual, sweating up a storm. What I did, and I'll show you tomorrow real early in the morning if I get up in the morning, but I took the fire pit structure that I showed you, and I did move it over to one of the gardens. I messed around with the tomatoes I put in the ditch. I got rid of 2 of them. They just weren't looking good. Well, one is still there, but it's severely chopped. But I piled dirt around them, kind of in a mound, and then left ditches in the middle and around the sides. I was looking around for my other tomato cages, and they're clear down, so I will have to go fetch them tomorrow. Then I watered everything at the very end. But then I also brought that one. I had that one terracotta looking square container, and I brought that. Oh, that was heavy. I brought that up. I was putting rocks around. I was moving rocks. I did a lot tonight, and of course you probably would have all loved to have seen it. I went ahead and planted 8 cucumbers and 1, 2, 3, 4 the kasha pumpkins, that the blue pumpkins that we seeded or we messed with. Then what I did is after kind of watering everything and soaking everything really good, because I just haven't been getting up in the morning, so I wanted to make sure I soaked everything real good. Everything looked really good, so I was kind of surprised, considering it was like 101. Tomorrow's supposed to be 95, so I'm happy with that. So then after all that, I just took my clip out of my hair, and over on the tub area, I just scrubbed the heck out of my hair really good. Put it up in a towel, and then came inside, and I thought, I just need to deep cleanse my hair. So I got out my apple cider vinegar, and I stuck it in with some water in a spray bottle here, and just sat here and saturated my hair and my scalp in particular. I was just really, I mean, my shampoo bar does a really good job, but I like the way that the apple cider vinegar leaves my hair as well. And then I had combed everything out. I'm really surprised. I'm really surprised that my hair's getting thick again, which is great. But I needed oil, so because I've got curly hair, and it's long, and so I can't just leave my hair that way. So I don't. The shampoo bars that I use, they're great, but they're expensive. But it's from this brand Humby. Now I'm just using this bottle with some new stuff. They have what they call Humby. It's an organic bloom growth oil, and I love it because it's castor oil. It's got your rosemary in there, but it has can't even read this, but it has a variety of other things that was in it. I already used it all up, but it's so expensive I can't afford to buy another bottle. So I did have some calendula oil, and so that's in olive oil. And so what I did was I've been using that, and then putting rosemary essential oils in there. And so after I do wash my hair, or when I cleanse it like this with just the apple cider vinegar, I have to put a whole bunch of oil in my hair to define the curl, so things won't also frizz, and, you know, just to moisturize and everything. And then the oils kind of go back into my scalp, and especially the rosemary. So that's why I look at a disheveled. And yes, I know you have seen this sundress. I love this sundress, and I've washed it a couple times, and after today it's going to be washed again. So anyhow, but yeah, you guys see me with my hair up all the time because, of course, you know, when I'm working I sweat, and it's summer, so it's kind of crazy. But I did do quite a bit of work, and I got some more things planted, and I did some weeding. I've got kind of low light in here, so I'm coming off a little yellow. I'm okay. I don't have jaundice, but it does look a little yellow, doesn't it? So I just wanted to say that this is Tuesday evening. So Wednesday morning, I'll kind of show you what I did, and then I've got a few things set up to do tomorrow night, and hopefully I'll make sure my phone is charged adequately for that, because I'm just going to continue continue as I go. So I'm hoping all of you are having a great time with your gardens. For my crocheter homies, I know that I haven't been talking much about crochet. I actually started a video on some granny squares that I was doing, so I will get that up. It's not my pattern though, so I was having to be really careful with what I was showing you and how I was showing it. It's free on YouTube anyway, but you know, I'm very careful with other people's work. And right now I'm in the process of looking at what yarn I want to purchase for my fall blanket, because I really got to get going on that and get that pattern out by the end of August. Is my goal, is to get that out, and the associated pictures and videos for the fall blanket. I really love the fall blanket. It's not going to be free pattern. It is going to be a paid pattern, but I will have some tutorials that with me working on it, and just that'll be associated with that. Okay, so I'm going to drink my mineral water. Bye.